In this article, you'll learn what essential oils are, what makes them effective for treating croup cough, and how to use them to get relief from this common, uncomfortable condition. The essential oil you choose should be diluted with water in a diffuser or applied directly to the skin. Sandalwood is a popular essential oil for croup cough, and it's not expensive. If you're looking for a natural cure, sandalwood is one of the best choices. What are essential oils? What are essential oils for croup cough? Among the many essential oils, lavender is an excellent choice. Its soothing nature can help your child breathe more easily, and its antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties can fight the virus that causes croup. You can use this oil either topically on the croup-affected area or in a diffuser to ease discomfort. To use essential oils for croup cough, you can add some to a warm compress and apply it to the chest, back, or forehead. Or, you can use a roller bottle that allows you to apply the oil safely without mess. You should use essential oils with caution and consult a doctor to avoid any unpleasant side effects. Just as with any natural remedy, you should conduct a patch test on your child first to determine if the oils are safe. If your child has croup symptoms, you should consult a doctor immediately. Croup is a common illness caused by the same virus that causes the common cold. Although most children recover within a week, it is still wise to seek medical attention if symptoms persist for more than a week. Essential oils for croup cough are safe when used with care, and you can purchase them at a certified organic or therapeutic grade essential oil manufacturer. Tea tree oil can help clear the sinuses and open up the airways. Its antiviral, antifungal and antibacterial properties make it a great choice for a soothing massage. Essential oils can also help treat infectious croup. Always make sure to keep essential oils out of the reach of children. Its strong scent is very soothing and it can help reduce muscle tightness caused by coughing. You should never use essential oils for croup without consulting your doctor. Essential oils can be dangerous if used without proper guidance. Always check with your doctor before applying any essential oils for croup cough. The plant compounds in essential oils are highly concentrated and can be harmful when not used properly. For best results, apply the oils topically. This will ensure that your child will recover faster. And, of course, it will be easier for you to treat the cough as well. Properties of essential oils. If your child is suffering from croup cough, you may be wondering about the properties of essential oils. These oils are purified compounds extracted from herbs and plants. Some are helpful for adults, but they can have negative effects on children. Peppermint oil can cause laryngospasm in infants, and eucalyptus oil is highly toxic to children. Other essential oils, such as tea tree and anise, can have a hormone-like effect on young children. In this article, we'll take a look at the benefits of a few essential oils for croup cough. Frankincense has been used for centuries to treat respiratory problems, including coughs. Frankincense is gentle enough to use on the skin, but you must dilute it with a carrier oil. As with any essential oil, always use therapeutic grade oils. And be sure to read up on their safety before you use them. You might also want to try tea tree oil, which inhibits the growth of bad bacteria in the respiratory system. Tea tree oil has numerous beneficial properties for the respiratory system. In addition to preventing respiratory infections, it also relieves symptoms of the condition. It has antimicrobial and antiseptic properties, which make it an excellent choice for tackling several symptoms of croup. It works as a natural expectorant, allowing the body to expel mucus faster. Tea tree oil also has anti-inflammatory properties, resulting in a better quality of breathing. These essential oils have a wide range of anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, making them a promising alternative to conventional treatments. Essential oils are naturally antibacterial and can reach both the lower and upper respiratory tract. So, if you're looking for a new way to treat croup cough, you should consider using essential oils. They could help reduce your risk of serious complications like pneumonia and other respiratory problems. Some of the most effective essential oils for croup cough are rosemary, eucalyptus, and frankincense. However, eucalyptus, rosemary, and tea tree essential oils should not be used during pregnancy. Oregano oil is a good alternative to synthetic drugs for bacterial and viral cough. Oregano oil has antiviral properties and can fight off harmful germs. Cause of croup cough: most cases of croup cough are not severe, but the symptoms of croup may be too bothersome for you to handle alone. To help alleviate the symptoms, you can take a fever-relieving medicine such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. Be sure to follow all the instructions on the medicine label. To make your child feel better, you can give him/her over-the-counter pain relievers for the chest, head, and throat. However, these medicines should be administered only after consulting with a doctor. Although croup is a common, mild illness, the symptoms are similar to those of other conditions, such as pneumonia. In fact, a severe attack of croup may even cause your child to stop breathing. Regardless of the symptoms, you should not be overly concerned. A calm attitude will help you reduce your child's fear. It's important to remember that croup cough is contagious, so you should take your child to a hospital with pediatric experience if you suspect your child has croup. Several different causes of croup cough are common. Some are viral, such as influenza, respiratory syncytial virus, and influenza A or B. Bacteria may also cause croup, including adenovirus and Streptococcus pneumoniae. There are also some bacterial causes of croup cough. As previously mentioned, most cases of croup are caused by a virus. A doctor's diagnosis of croup cough typically involves listening to your child's breathing with a stethoscope and examining his or her throat. Sometimes, an X-ray is required to rule out other diseases. In most cases, self-care measures at home can be effective. Depending on the severity, medical attention will be unnecessary. Fortunately, croup usually clears up on its own within 3 to 6 days. While a good homemade remedy can alleviate some of the symptoms, professional medical assistance may be necessary. When a child has croup, the airway becomes inflamed and swollen. Air cannot enter the lungs through the trachea and it becomes narrow. Symptoms of croup can be spread to other people through sneezing, coughing, and respiratory secretions. You should keep your child away from other children with croup for at least 3 days or until the fever is gone. Best essential oil for croup cough. Aromatherapy can be a powerful treatment for croup cough. Several essential oils contain anti-inflammatory properties. Lavender, for example, is popular for diffusers and can help soothe your child's cough. Moreover, lavender is a natural antiseptic and is effective against viruses, bacteria, and fungi, Which are the main causes of croup? Lavender oil can be used in combination with a carrier oil to soothe the child and help them breathe more comfortably. Sandalwood, eucalyptus, and clove are excellent croup remedies. Sandalwood can be applied topically to your child's throat and chest to provide relief from coughing and congestion. Moreover, these oils can promote a child's well-being and promote rest. So, if your child is suffering from croup, try one or more of these oils and make sure to use them according to the label. When your child has croup, he or she will start losing his or her voice and will be unable to speak. This is because the cough is caused by inflammation in the lining of the windpipe and the voice box. Moreover, the cough will sound like a bark. While it's contagious, croup can sometimes be life-threatening and require medical treatment. If your child is suffering from croup, try the best essential oil for croup cough. If your child is suffering from croup, consider using an essential oil diffuser. Essential oils for croup include lavender, frankincense, thyme, rosemary, and lemon. In addition to essential oils, you can also use a homemade vapor rub. Remember to do a skin patch test before applying any essential oil. Children with sensitive skin should be extra cautious while using essential oils. Another essential oil for croup cough is tea tree oil. It helps relieve cough and is hypoallergenic. It can be applied directly to the skin, but should not be ingested. Tea tree oil is antiviral, antifungal, and antibacterial. Its spicy fragrance makes it a perfect complement to other natural remedies for croup cough. Always make sure to store essential oils out of the reach of children. Next, best essential oil for dog breath. Legal and medical disclaimer: information provided on the site is for educational purposes only, and does not substitute for professional medical advice. You must consult a medical professional or healthcare provider if seeking medical advice, diagnoses, or treatment. We do not provide any medical advice. Essential Oils Marketplace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.